और विवेक क्या कर रहा है? राइट एंड रॉन्ग फूड कॉम्बिनेशन की स्क्रिप्ट लिख रहा हूँ, कोई सजेशन है? यार तेरी बाकी सब चीज़ें फिर भी मान लें, लेकिन ये फूड कॉम्बिनेशन तो बोगस कॉन्सेप्ट है। मतलब ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है कि दो परफेक्टली हेल्दी चीज़ों को कंबाइन किया और वो अनहेल्दी हो गई। इनफैक्ट तो मुझे एक एग्जाम्पल दे के बता जहाँ पे दो परफेक्टली बढ़िया चीज़ों को कंबाइन किया और वो खराब हो गई। रुक, मैं अभी आया। क्यों, सही है ना? ओए ये क्या पहना है तूने? क्यों, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? ये ब्लेजर तो वही है जो तुझे पसंद है, और ये शॉर्ट्स तो मैंने तेरे साथ ही खरीदे थे। हाँ यार, मैंने ही दिलवाया था। अरे कैसे समझाऊं, दोनों अपने आप में बढ़िया हैं, बस इन्हें कंबाइन मत कर। मतलब रॉन्ग कॉम्बिनेशन है। In this video, I will share with you 11 practical food combinations highly talked about in Ayurvedic scriptures that can dramatically improve the quality of digestion, support the body in receiving a deeper level of nourishment, and positively impact our overall health. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Starting with number 11 on the list is wheat and cucumber. Do you often face indigestion after eating wheat roti? Well, when we talk about grains, wheat is among the most strengthening for the bodily tissues. But as a downside, it's hard to digest and the body demands extra energy, especially when eaten in the form of a roti rather than the liya. A useful tip is to combine wheat with cucumber. This means that if you are having wheat chapati for lunch, ensure that you start with cucumber salad. Cucumber has a special affinity to wheat and helps digest it better. In dinner, when cucumber, due to its cooling nature, is not recommended by Ayurveda, you can replace it with ginger instead. I have already shared with you an easy recipe using ginger, rock salt and lemon juice, which once prepared can be stored without a refrigerator for about 10-15 days. A combination you should savor often. Next is milk with ghee. The combination of milk and ghee is not only delicious but is also incredibly healthy. When we talk about sattvic food combinations, Ayurveda puts this one on top of the list. It has an instant calming effect on the mind, which is why it is a favorite among yogis who meditate for long hours. Milk with ghee acts as an analgesic. So if you often suffer from headaches, body pains, or just had a tough day at work, have a glass of warm A2 desi cow milk with half to 2 teaspoons of A2 cow ghee depending on your digestive capacity. Having milk with ghee 30 minutes before sleeping at night not only provides strength to the bodily tissues but also nourishes the skin. You can add jaggery powder or thread mishri powder to sweeten it. Milk plus ghee, a pure elixir. Do try. Next, sprouts with heating spices. Sprouts are probably among the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. With the increased amount of protein, enzymes, vitamins, minerals, and fiber, they have the power to replace your multivitamin pills. But more than often, people either don't find them palatable, or for some, they become the reason for gas, bloating, and constipation. That's because sprouts are living foods, extremely cold in potency, and since Ayurveda doesn't recommend heating them, a well-ignited digestive fire is needed to assimilate them. That's why Ayurvedic texts recommend sprouts to be combined with heating spices like ginger and black pepper. So the next time you prepare sprouts, add grated ginger, black pepper, rock salt, roasted cumin seeds, and lemon juice. Not only your body will be able to absorb the most of these high pranic foods, but also you will relish the taste. Similarly, raw vegetable salads can also be combined with heating spices. On number 8 is radish with its leaves. Winters are fast approaching and so is the season for radish. This humble vegetable rich in potassium, vitamins and fiber is a boon for blood and acts as a natural detoxifier. However, being extremely cold in potency, it is often hard to digest. Nature has provided its easy solution. Just combine radish with its leaves. Every time you eat radish in salad or make a curry out of it, make sure to add its leaves leaves along. This way you not only balance the extreme properties of radish but also you get the numerous benefits that the radish leaves offer. From improving liver function to killing parasites in the digestive tract to controlling blood sugar level, they are medicinal. The combination of two is worth every effort. Next on the list is lemon with ghee. We are all aware of the superfood qualities of the golden nectar called ghee. Although not many know that when ghee is mixed with lemon juice, its effect is further enhanced. This simple combination can easily become a part of your healthy lifestyle. So the next time you eat dal rice, not just put a teaspoon of ghee over it, but also add lemon juice. The benefits of this combination can be reaped through any curry of your choice. When eating a green leafy vegetable, the ghee will help assimilate the nutrients better, while the lemon juice added in salad will help extract the iron from it. Lemon plus ghee, a combination not just healthy but appetizing. Next is black gram with buttermilk. Black gram is one of the most strength-giving lentils out there. In Ayurvedic texts, black gram beans are referred as mash and are highly recommended for gaining weight and improving immunity. Being a nutritive, bulk enhancer, diuretic and aphrodisiac, it pacifies Vata dosha. However, it's heavy and not so easy to digest. And what you can't digest doesn't nourish you. To resolve this problem, Ayurveda recommends ending a black gram meal with a glass of spiced or sweet buttermilk. Black grams combination with natural sugar is also equally beneficial. Probably that is why urad dal jaggery laddus are a common preparation in Indian homes, especially in the winters. At number 5 is potato with rice. Are you getting too weight conscious? Well, you will be surprised to know that the energetics of potato and rice is such that when they are combined, they help cut the extra fat from the body. Yes, Ayurveda is firm about it. So the next time, add a little potato to rice and enjoy them both guilt-free. If you don't want to eat potato with rice, simply cut a clean potato in half and add it to the same pot in which you are cooking rice. Once the rice is prepared, you can happily remove the potato as it would have already done its job. A useful combination to get the best of both foods. At number 4 is dry dates with milk. Do you often feel tired and low on energy? Then this combination is for you. Ayurveda considers dry dates milk as one of the best nutritive tonics for the body, especially in winters. Simply add 2 dry dates to a glass of milk. Add a glass of water as well. Now let the milk boil on low flame until all the water has evaporated and you are left with 1 glass of milk. Eat the dry dates and have milk along. It's so delicious. By adding water, not only do the dry dates properly dissociate their nutrients in the milk, but also the milk prepared is easier to digest. Dry dates milk gives strength to the bones, relieves constipation, is beneficial in asthma, and keeps the chilliness of winters away. Don't miss out on this power-packed combination. Next is sugarcane juice with ginger. Sugarcane juice is one drink that can beat most cold drinks in the market. And what's better is that it is a tonic for the liver, a digestive booster, improves kidney health and fights bad breath. A great combination of sugarcane juice is with ginger. That's because ginger balances its extreme cooling nature. This combo allows people who suffer from sinus problems or who want to lose fat or generally in the winter season to enjoy Mother Nature's this energy drink. So the next time, don't forget to tell the sugarcane vendor to add ginger in your sugarcane juice. At number 2 is mango with milk. Who doesn't like mangoes? Although since mangoes are heating for the body, some people suffer from pimples and other allergic reactions after eating them. Ayurveda advises that milk that is not hot but rather cool or at room temperature, if consumed in a small quantity after eating a mango, diminishes its heating effect to a large extent. Probably that is why in Punjab, a mango meal is considered incomplete without having a glass of kachi lassi, which is prepared by mixing 1 part milk with 4 parts of water and mishri powder to sweeten it. Mango shakes although does not produce the same effect. If you don't want to have milk after mango, eating a handful of Indian blackberries, commonly known as jamun, does the same job. Both being available in the same season, it's practical as well. So the next time you eat mangoes, you know what to conclude it with. Finally on the list is coriander with hot spicy curries. Do you like indulging in spicy food? Well, where homemade spicy food is recommended for balancing the kapha dosha in the body, it can create havoc for a pitta dominated body type. A simple and effective way is to top up a spicy curry with fresh coriander leaves. Coriander with its cooling properties helps to balance the heating effect of the spices. Smart and useful, isn't it? So these were some of the best food combinations which I believe we can incorporate in our day-to-day life. Food combining is one of the many powerful Ayurvedic tools for improving digestive health and overall wellness. Make use of it. Found this video helpful? Would you like to see a part 2 of this video? If yes, then please do give a big thumbs up. Looking for a genuine toxin-free face wash? Mamaearth's Upton face wash is one good option in the Indian market. Go through its ingredients and you will find that it has no sulfates, no parabens, no EDTAs or any other harsh chemicals added in it. Rather, it is made from safe chemicals along with herbal extracts of turmeric, saffron and various other skin-friendly essential oils. Mamaearth's this tan removal Upton face wash is suitable for all skin types and can be used by both men and women. Mamaearth's this product is dermatologically tested and is made in India. To buy it, click on the link down in the description box. Do not forget to apply the special discount coupon to get 21% off on your order. So friends, that's all for this video. You can now support my work by clicking on the join button below. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. You can also follow me on Instagram. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.